Hello guys, it's Eagle Plus Action Trader. So in this channel we will talk about the most successful people in the world, Warren Buffett, who have made millions and billions of dollars. So today we will discuss about how he has made billions of dollars and how his family background and other important stuff that you can use in order to become successful. So Warren Buffett is an American investor who is a chairman and the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. So he is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He is considered of the most successful investor in the world. He is the most successful investor in the world, and he worth of $78 billion in August 2020, making him the seventh wealthiest people in the world. So he control a lot of money. He own a lot of money. So his background before he becoming the 70th wealthiest people. So Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska. He was born in August 30th, 1930. So let's see its education. So Buffett began his education at Rosie Elementary School. In 1942, his father was elected to the first full term in the United States Congress, and after moving his family to Washington, Warren finished his elementary school. So when his father moved to Washington, Warren has already finished his elementary school. So he found success with his side entrepreneurial and investment virtue. So he has a talent which is entrepreneur. Buffett wanted to skip college to go directly to business, but he was overruled his father. So Buffett was successful in entrepreneur side. He has an incredible talent of entrepreneur and investment, but his father wanted him to go to school, so he was overruled by his father. So what is the economic situation of Warren Buffett? So the brutal reality is that in the place they were live, there was a great depression. Okay, Buffett learned the respect of the value of money in the early life because of the financial crisis. His family lost all the savings at the bank because of the financial crisis, and when he lost all the money, his family became poor and he could not afford to buy clothes. He missing bills and he often skipped going to church because of shame. He could not afford to buy clothes to go to pray. So Warren Buffett in his old age was poor, so he has the value of money. He said that he will make his first $1 million by the age of 35. So he always wanted to become millionaire and escape poverty. So he knew that he knew the inconvenience of poverty, and he want to escape it as soon as possible. So he has a dream. Okay, Buffett from his young age also has a talent, which is he shows an incredible talent for maths and numbers. So he was interested in patterns and would play games by watching cars and remember car plates, and at night he will know which car often passed in his street. So he imagined cars, his cars plates. So at night he imagined which car has passed often in the street. This is his game. So he has discovered a new game which has also changed his life. One day he watched a man drinking soda. Okay, he buying soda. He become curious, and the man was drinking his soda, and Buffett was watching him drinking the soda. So he started introducing a new game which is collecting butter cans and calcium. As he is an entrepreneur, he wonder which soda is the best sales and which favor or preferable. Okay, which favor is most people buying. So because of his talent and charting analysis, mathematical analysis, Warren soon graduate to record the stock price from his father's newspaper and compare the stock and find the best stock. So he often use his father's newspaper to compare stock and find best stock. So he always wanted to become a investor, but as the Great Depression ended, Warren watched his father leading of a rise in inflation. So inflation rise, okay, and following of the financial boom of America, he further, instead of buying intangible asset, he buy tangible asset, which is gold. So he observed his father, and he he has developed a he preferred to buy tangible assets and non-tangible assets, because with tangible assets he can make great sum of money when there is inflation. So in inflation he can make money. So at the age of 13 he took a job where the job responsibility is to deliver journal. So then he realized that he can diversify his product line. He began to sell in magazine subscription to his paper route customers. So he was making a lot of money because he sell subscription, which is he diversify his product. So Warren used his earning to buy a 40-acre farm in Nebraska and hired a labor to work on the land. So he has already buy a land, and he had hired a labor to work on his land, and when he has the money he pay university. So he first applied at Harvard Business School, but he was rejected. So he applied in Columbia Business School and he was accepted. So in Columbia Business School he was studying Benjamin Graham. He has become his tutor and his role model and his mentor. So by watching the neighborhood, Warren Buffett learned the convenience and the service fetches higher price. Location is everything. Efficiency determines the profitability of a business. So after graduating Columbia Business School, Warren returned to Omaha and studied the public speaking. Then Benjamin Graham, which is his role model, offered him a job as an investment salesman and a security analyst. So 1956 he has bought a home with his wife. He has already $174,000 in saving, which is $500 million. Today he decided to retire. So at a young age he started investing, buying home. So he created a partnership limited company called Buffett Partnership Limited. With his business experience he learned in his old age to make huge profit. So he already owned a company, so he decided to invest in Berkshire Hathaway, which is a business potential and which produced tangible assets. 1964. So the company was established in 1869. Berkshire Hathaway, known as Valley Forge Company. The company was becoming very successful textile industry. However, with the decline of sales after World War I, the financial future looked to go decline. So Warren Buffett estimated that the demand will rise in the future after the closing mills, so he invested heavily in the short-term gains. Okay, in 1964, the CEO Barry Stenson offered to buy back Warren Buffett's share at 11.50 cents per share, in which Warren Buffett agreed. However, when he received the offer in writing, he saw that the price was dropped by 11.34, which is a big loss, a big decline. So Warren Buffett is furious. He buys more shares of the stock and he controls the company, and he fired Stenson. Okay, so what has happened is that now Warren Buffett owns a failing textile manufacturer, so he tried to maintain the textile by diversifying. Okay, he invests in media, in insurance, in energy, in utilities. So after a few years, Warren Buffett has turned his failing business. By the age of 30, he has achieved his goal of making $1 million. So Berkshire Hathaway would go on to become his flagship for all his business investment, and despite being very successful, Warren decided to dissolve his firm partnership. So in order to focus all his energy in developing Berkshire Hathaway after phasing out textile business, Warren focused on buying assets in media such as Washington Post. So he decided to invest in media. So Berkshire Hathaway began trading at $775 a share, reaching 1,030 10 buyers, and which is skyrocketing Warren Buffett net to $620 million. So in years, his shares value have increased to 1,310, which have increased his investment, his net worth of 620 million. So he was 1 million, and as he diversified, he buy more shares,